Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Black Dragon Indicator for MT4. Okay. For more information, just check the description. You're going to see the link to this web page. Okay. You can just follow the link and then, proceed from there. So this indicator helps you to understand the prevailing market momentum, all right, trend movement, potential reversals, trends, directional flow, and all of that. So we can see that the indicator provides some important information. We can see on this dashboard, we have, of course, the currency pair that you want to trade. You have the spread and other information, all right? So the indicator gives you targets. Okay, if you enter a buy trade, the indicator helps you to identify possible targets for that your buy trade. Okay, TP1, TP2, TP3. All right, now the indicator also shows you, can see buy price, shows you buy price, shows you CSL reversal, TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, and then also shows you stop loss. Okay, so the percentage, you can see the percentage, so it has some important information to help you make informed decisions. All right, now always make sure that you practice proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Ensure that you do not over leverage for any reason. Okay, not over leverage for any reason, and make sure that you pay attention to confirmations, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, to ensure that you are not trading with the indicator in isolation. Okay, it's very important. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.